Bio 100.
Hi, and welcome to week 3. So this is going to be kind of the first week that's really representative of how the rest of this semester is going to go. Every week we're going to have a major theme, and then you're going to have a series of different pieces to follow within that theme. Each one of those little pieces or sections is going to have typically a video, maybe some written content, followed by a quiz. These quizzes you're going to get 2 attempts. So if you really struggle with the first attempt, don't just dive right into that second attempt. Reach out to your group. Reach out to me. I'm happy to help you get to where you need to be to get every single point on that second attempt at the quiz. My hope is that everybody gets all the quiz points. In many ways, that's kind of the intent, not to nickel and dime you with lots of little dings to your points just through these quizzes. These quizzes are meant to just kind of help you make sure that you're getting the material and help me make sure that the material is working for you as well. This week, the material is focused a lot on dilution math. This is something that I struggled with for a long time. If you've taken general chemistry, which I'm sure you all have, it's very similar to some of that. And many of us brain dump it. But it's really critical when you get out and start working in wet labs, because anytime you need to make a new stock reagent or a new buffer, it's dilution math. If you end up working in microbiology, dilution math is critical for estimating microbial abundances within samples. That's going to kind of be the culminating part of this week, is using our dilution math skills to estimate colony forming units, or the number of bacteria in a different unknown sample. And so this week, as you progress through, keep in mind that there's going to be a lab activity both this week and most weeks. But most of the time, and I'll let you know when it's not the case, it's going to be an asynchronous lab. You do not have to do it during the normal lab session. And so you can work on your own, you can work with your group to complete that lab activity. Typically these were done in person. They've been modified due to kind of this remote COVID situation. And so if you run into issues with it, just know that I'm here, even though we're not in person. Reach out to me. I'm happy to help you. None of this is meant to be an exam. It's not meant to be done totally on your own. If you need help, I will help you. So as you move through this stuff, keep in mind, whenever we don't have a synchronous lab section, I will still be there as extra office hours. So come to my office hours if you need help. Come to the lab section at 9 a.m. Wednesday to noon. Anything that I can do to help you, I will do. So I hope you guys have a good week.